It's your first day at work and you're brimming with excitement and passion. But joy quickly leaves the room as you find yourself thrown into a random mess of papers, Excel sheets, 3 different coding languages, and 4 random team meetings where you barely understand what anyone is talking about. Stress builds up, cracks start to show, and the second guessing begins. Is this where I belong? If that doesn't sound familiar to you, that's probably because you had a good onboarding process. And if you're watching this video, it's because you probably want your employees to have a good onboarding experience as well. Research shows that a well-designed onboarding process can improve employee retention by over 80% and increase productivity by over 70%. Turns out that well-adjusted employees are more likely to stick around, which should be a surprise to nobody. In this video, we will cover how to design the best onboarding process so your employees start and, more importantly, remain happy at your company or institution. First and foremost, you need to plan ahead. That means creating a detailed onboarding timeline and checklist so you're well prepared for your new hire's arrival. Be sure to cover everything from pre-boarding to the first few months on the job. This way, you can ensure a smooth and efficient experience for everyone involved. But don't just use the same onboarding template for everybody. Each person and position is different, which leads us to step number 2. Make it personal. The best onboarding experiences are tailored to each individual. So take the time to learn about your new hire's background, interests, and goals. These will not only help you customize their onboarding process, but also foster a genuine connection between you, your team, and your new colleague. In other words, the new employee will feel like a meaningful member of the team. And the team must get involved as well, which is why it is also crucial to create a welcoming environment. First impressions are everything, so make sure your new hire feels at home right from the get-go. This can be as simple as setting up their workspace, sending a warm welcome email, or even having a small welcome celebration with the team. A small present or celebration goes a long way in making anyone feel integrated. But don't party too much. After all, this is a working environment, and your new employee should clearly understand what is expected of them. In other words, you need to provide clear expectations and resources. Make sure your new hire knows exactly what's expected of them in their role and equip them with the tools and information they need to succeed. This includes things like job-specific training, access to internal resources, and regular check-ins to ensure that they are on track. Consider every piece of hardware and software your new employee needs to perform at their job successfully, but remember that the best help they'll get will come from their colleagues, which is why it is also key to foster connections. Encourage your new hire to build relationships with their colleagues, both within and outside their department. These can be achieved through team-building activities, mentorship programs, or even just regular social events. If your new employee feels they can rely on their teammates, they'll feel more encouraged to ask for help when needed. And that's everything you need to know to start designing your own onboarding program. Follow these guidelines and customize them to your company's values and culture. If you want to know more about setting up a good onboarding strategy, check out our blog article on the best talent retention tips. You can also check our other content related to human resources, education, and technology on our website, small.net. At Smalltech, we develop a proctoring solution, Small, that uses machine learning and artificial intelligence to help businesses and educational institutions guarantee integrity in their digital and online assessments. We hope this video helped you gain insight into creating a good onboarding strategy. If you liked it, please give us a like and share the video. See you in the next one.